what is happening, because it's still happening as we speak, is extremely unfortunate. We were thankful to God for the electoral acts, thankful to God for all the promises of Mr. President, and especially the agency INEC. Listening to the INEC chairman and the Dr. Festus Okoye, I was being like the spokesperson for INEC, assure Nigerians, gave that moral boost, the impetus, reason why millions of Nigerians, got out under sun, under rain, and they did their civic responsibility. And so to see what is going on now is a rape, because the same INEC in the Electoral Act, which the author are bidding by, should have transmitted the results from polling units to the server and uploaded to the public for everybody to see. What happened is anybody's guess, but it's clear that it was intentional, it was criminal. There were criminal intents, and honestly, INEC should be held responsible and accountable for this. How come the National Assembly, all the results were able to be transmitted at the point we're talking about, but that of the presidential couldn't be? That's the question everybody's asking. And today, they are resorting to manual collation. No wonder the agents of the parties, except for the beneficiaries of the crime, walked out. The state they walked out. So basically, the legitimizing the process. So INEC is totally on their own. They couldn't have gone all through this, spent billions, hundreds of billions of naira. They could have just called somebody to make him president-elect, and we watch by and stand. But what they've done is waste everybody's time. So the parties, the leadership, and Nigerians are saying this nonsense can't stand. And we are calling for cancellation of this entire process. We can let the National Assembly election go, but not the presidential. Because National Assembly, you could say, argue, some of them, most of them were transmitted. And I know some are still being held. Release the results as people have voted and results are aggregated from the polling units. If that has not been done, whatever they are putting together now is a conjuncture, not anywhere a semblance of the will of the people. And that's where we stand. And we are hoping that they know what they're doing. Because if anything happens in this country, the people in the leadership should be held fully and squarely accountable. We don't want this Nigeria to burn. We want Nigeria to be peaceful. We are all law-abiding, and they shouldn't push Nigerians to the wall. The message here is that Nigerians are watching. INEC, please correct yourselves. Go back and redo this process ab initio and make sure results are transmitted from the polling units. That's the only thing that can solve this problem. Thank you, and God bless you.